Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fam 2 Cents cooking video, and this one's going to be a really short one. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys one of my favorite really quick breakfasts to make in the morning when I want to eat something that's filling but doesn't take all that much work to make. This is like my favorite dish of all time for breakfast. Like I think if I was getting ready to die and they were just like final breakfast, this is what I'd pick, and probably add some bacon, and that would be it. I'd be happy because it's that good. So it's very simple. It's grits and eggs, nothing too fancy. The only difference is I've actually taken some chicken base and put that in there. Usually I put either 2 bouillon cubes or you know, just use chicken stock or chicken broth in general. And cook it as directed. The only difference is you're substituting the water for the broth. That's basically it. Pretty straightforward. Once the grits are pretty much done or getting close to done, I go ahead and I drop some cheese in there, give it a nice little stir before that's done, and that's pretty much it for that. As far as the eggs go, I like my eggs over easy. You can cook your eggs however you want, honestly. This tastes good either way. If you scramble them, fine. If you like sunny side up, fine. It doesn't matter. Just eggs on top of the grits. Or if I do scrambled, sometimes I mix it all together and just like do a mix, and that's just as good. What I really like about this is, like I said, the freedom to kind of do whatever you want. You can just use regular water if you don't want to use a chicken base or stock or something like that. If you want your eggs any type of specific way, you can make them however you want with this. Like there's no rules telling you specifically how to make this and what's the proper way or anything like that. You make it however you want and it tastes delicious regardless. So as I said, this is just a quick video I wanted to share with you guys of a quick breakfast that I like to make for myself personally. It's my favorite thing to eat in the morning. I don't know how great it is for you, but honestly, I don't really care. So, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what your favorite breakfast is, and if you were going to be put to death, what your final breakfast would be. I know that's like unusually dark for this channel, but whatever, let's roll with it. Let me know that in the comment section below, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.